Welcome to the in front of me Nokia T21 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast, correct. We just successfully unlock our device with any problem. So I just suggested to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.